When you get to that point in life when you say like, enough is enough, where you're literally tired of losing, like you're ready to win, you're ready to change things for yourself. And you have to get to that point personally where you say, like, man, you know what? I gotta do better. And you gotta be willing to listen to reason. And I have learned just because you older doesn't mean you wise. You can be an old fool. So, we just have to get to that point where we reach our bottom or whatnot. And we get to that certain level where we like, hey, I'm tired of living like this. Can I change things up? What can I do? Then we just got to be willing to listen to reason and actually make things happen, man, because don't nothing happen or don't nothing come to a person that procrastinates and steady puts off. And if you don't hustle, if you don't network, if you don't try to figure out a way to get yourself out the situation that you're in, you're going to stay there, man. So you can complain and hate and say what you want to about what somebody else doing, but they doing. That's probably what you need to do. Start doing it.